Oh my gosh, you guys. It's past 10 a.m. This is so weird. I normally wake up at like 6:30 or 7, but this week has been so insane. I've been up until like 12, waking up at 6 or 7, just working so much. Ryan's not even in bed. I normally am out of bed way before he ever is, but I've been just like laying here. I woke up a little while ago, but just like laying. So just like I need to recover. So normally my morning routines, if you guys watch them, are very polished and lovely. This morning is a little different. This week's a little different. This year's a little different. So I just have a lot to do. I didn't even clean up anything last night. I was so tired. I just went to bed. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different morning routine. Actually very cold this morning. The first thing I always do in the morning is chug a bunch of water and make my bed. I don't have a water bottle in here, which is so weird because I always go to bed with a water bottle. Like I like passed out last night. And I actually need to really wash my sheets because it's been like a week. I try to wash my pillowcases every like 3 to 4 days, sheets once a week. I slept so late.
Yeah, you did. That's good though. You need to do that every now and then.
I'm so tired still. It's terrible. My kitchen and everything is such a mess right now. This is all like our takeout from last night. Had champagne. I swear that's not why I slept till 10. And we still need to decorate our Christmas tree. So this is gonna be a little extra morning project, getting this all cleaned up. So usually after I make my bed and stuff, one of the next things I do is drink, like I said, chug lots of water. I have my celery juice. I'll make a coffee. I literally have no celery juice, no celery, no milk for my coffee. So I'm gonna make a giant jug of water and we'll start there. This is my super cute LSF Breezy water bottle. I love it so much. It's like 32 ounces. I'll usually drink one of these like first thing in the morning, like literally the entire thing, just to help like flush my body and get ready for the day. I need some little slippers on my toes. Okay, these are my favorite. Ryan got them for me for Christmas last year, and my toes are open, which I know seems weird to actually keep your feet warm, but I swear they make them so warm and cozy, but also help me so I don't overheat, which happens usually when I wear Uggs, like normal, like full Uggs. It's quite the morning look. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up, and then, Ryan, are we gonna get coffee this morning?
Yeah.
I mean, am I gonna get coffee this morning?
You're gonna get coffee.
Do you wanna do our, what?
You're definitely getting coffee.
Thank you. Do you wanna, you're like, wake up. Do you wanna do our walk? Oh, are we running?
Yeah, run walk.
Run walk. So I don't know if you guys remember last year I vlogged it. We did a half marathon. We haven't been running that much. I've been trying to do like at least 1 day a week still of like actual like jog running. So for the last like 8 or 9 months we've been doing our really long like 5-6 mile walks on Sundays, but now we're trying to add in a little bit of running too, like half of it. Tonight, or maybe even today, my mission is to get this tree decorated so I can clean up all the pine needles, put all the tubs of stuff away. Little like clutter drives me absolutely crazy, and I always try to do it at night, but like I said last night, didn't get it done. So kind of a goal for the morning, definitely by the end of the day, so I can start the week and not feel like there's stuff everywhere. So like I said, I don't have my celery or celery juice, but I found just like a greens powder, and I feel like I have to have some type of green first thing in the morning after I do anything else. Oh, you know what I forgot I did this morning because it was like half asleep? At like 5:30, I woke up at one point, 5:30 or 6, and I took my thyroid medication. So that's really the first thing I normally do in the morning, but I totally forgot because I did it like basically when I was asleep. I just posted on Instagram for our new LSF 30 challenge. I'm so excited, you guys.
Free 30-day fitness challenge. You'll have daily workouts in the app. You can get anytime. I'm unlocking the premium app for 30 days. And when you sign
Okay, if you haven't seen this yet, if you haven't signed up yet, go watch the video after this one because it is going to be the best challenge ever. I'm so pumped for January. It's so exciting and it's so fun to see so many of you girls already posting your Ironman graphics. Like by the time you watch this, obviously this will have been out for like a week or something, but right now it's like been 2 hours and there's already thousands of you signed up, which is crazy. I'm so excited. Okay, now that cleaning's done, that's done. I'm gonna brush my teeth and then we gotta get ready because we do have to work out. I mean, I did sleep like 10 hours, so I should have some more energy to get my sweat on today and get a run going. I've gotta do it. I just gotta run a little bit. I just realized I didn't wash my face yet, but I think because we're gonna go outside and like get sweaty and gross. Why? So I'm just gonna put on some sunscreen, sunscreen on my face and get ready for that. And then I'll just wash my face when we're done running. I'm gonna change and get ready so we can head out to do our run. Ryan and I both just realized like we're really hungry. We haven't had coffee. It's just a weird morning, you guys. Oh, jeez. A goal that I've been trying to be so good about, I've talked about how I'm not usually great about this, is tracking my workout. So I track them in the Lsf Fitness app, but like my steps and that kind of stuff, I've gone on and off wearing different watches. So I'm trying to get in for 2021. I'm bringing this goal back. We're gonna try it out. Okay, so this is the one I've been trying out. It's the Zepp E Smart Watch. It is pretty awesome, you guys. There are so many different features on here, and they have different types of straps and stuff too that make it really nice, but I just felt like this one was kind of like sexy, like the black. I love it. All right, so you can see it has this really, really rad 3D curved bezel-less design, which just makes it extra sleek and sexy. And then there's 11 different sports modes in here, which you guys know I love, besides all of the different amazing like health metrics that it tracks. So in the workouts, you can do like outdoor running, walking, cycling, like it goes on, which is, I mean, even pool swimming because it's water resistant, which is rad. And also because I'm real sweaty, I appreciate it. But I think Ryan and I are gonna start with a walk. So it's super easy. You just go into it, literally hit go, and it starts tracking everything for you. Plus it tracks like way more than just your workouts. Your blood oxygen level, it has this always on mode as well. So we're gonna give it a go on the walk and run today, and I'll keep you guys posted. So during the week, something I normally do every single morning is like plan out my day really specifically with my top 5 like things that I need to do using my goals planner. But on the weekends, I try to like I already know what I have to do and get accomplished, like whether it's editing or planning for next week. I have like my list of stuff I've shown you guys my Asana where I keep everything like online that has my to-dos and all the details of that stuff. But today, like, because this week was so crazy, Ryan and I are really trying just to like not work very much today and just relax this morning. Obviously why I slept in forever. But I still like to stick to like as much of my normal morning routine as possible. So like that's where I'm like, okay, I gotta do my greens. I need to have lots of water. Again, normally washing my face, but not. I'm gonna put on a little CC cream, like not like a lot of makeup because obviously I'm like going running, but I just like having that extra layer of sun protection and skin protection. So I'll do that. I do that every day, whether I'm going out or even if I'm just gonna be home, because like I know I'll go outside for a little bit at some point, but that's like super important to me to make sure I get that stuff in every day. And then the other thing I try to do every single morning is my daily 10 in the app. So before we go for our walk, I'm gonna get that in. So the CC cream has SPF, but it also has a lot of like really beneficial skin care product in it. I use, where'd it go? Oh my gosh, I lost it. I use this Peter Thomas Roth one that I really, really love. And it has SPF 30. Just a baby bit of mascara to not feel asleep. I know, I'm gonna work out, but we're going to get coffee. We have to run a couple errands too, so. I'm feeling. Okay, so one, for those of you who haven't done the daily 10 in the app before. It's my free 10-minute workout. You have a set of different exercises you repeat. It's free, it's in there all the time, it's so easy. But you guys, I was just like going along and realized you may have not seen my cute new mat. Okay, so this is the LSF Yoga Mat I just launched it like 2 weeks ago. She's so cute. It's 5 millimeters, it's so thick and so cushioned, which is amazing. My heart rate's up just from that little daily 10. I didn't even finish yet. So I'll link down below for this for you guys too. But I've been using this literally every single day in my office. I try to do my daily 10, or at least like if we're gonna challenge a bonus move or my meditation or something, in my office where it's warm on the nice pretty mat every morning. Like I just like starting my day that way. All right, so you got one too, because we have to hold each other accountable. We've tried this many times, but we need like each other to make it happen and stick with it.
Yeah,
Yours is really pretty though.
Mine's nice. I feel like I could wear it to like going out, but also working out, so I like that about it. And I mean, honestly, we would have a step record by now because we do walk a ton of steps and we work out all the time and we run, but we haven't tracked it enough, so we don't.
2021, we're coming. There's Zeppes. Balancing. Got it. Nice. I mastered the out of the car doing this because it just gets so messy everywhere. Like the powder just goes everywhere. So this has been MO for the last few months when we do this walk. So even on weird days like today when my routine's a little off, like the one thing that happens every single day without fail, no matter what, is my Vital Collagen Creamer or Vital Collagen Peptides. Like my greens in the morning and my collagen are a must because it's like the one thing that I've consistently felt like helps with my hair, my skin, my nails. The creamer has 10 grams of collagen per serving, which is really good. So I always put that on my coffee, and it just like, it's great for gut health, joint health, so many different things. I've been using Vital for probably almost 5 years now, which is crazy, but it truly has been a game changer. So I carry this in the car, I have them at home. I actually have like an empty one rolling in the back too. So routine, no matter how weird my day is, those are the things that have to happen. All right, so we just set him to walking, and we're gonna, again, like literally all you do is press go, and it starts tracking everything, your steps, duration, distance. You want me to get yours?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, I love that when it shows my heart rate, it also says relaxed. Like I'm not working too hard, I'm so relaxed.
Wow. That's awesome. Some skills to do that. Dang.
This is a walk I try to do at least twice a week to start my day. It is literally the best way just to get outside, move my body, see the ocean. We already did 3 miles, which is kind of crazy, which means we have to run back 3 miles. But the tide is super low this morning, so we're gonna go check out some tide pools and then head back. We started our walk back, but we need to run. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Okay.
All right, so how long? Probably about 3 miles back?
Yep.
All right.
Okay. You'd think my legs would be super warm after walking, but running's just so different. I have to say, when you are super fit and you're working out consistently, even things like running that you don't do all the time feels so much easier. Like the first 5 minutes was hard, and then I feel like we just got back into our normal rhythm. I feel strong. My legs are probably gonna feel tired. I got a foam roll tonight, but I'm gonna shower real fast, get my hair fixed because I have some filming to do today for like TikTok and stuff. So I'll show you like my little post-workout hair trick. Okay, so I usually will do a little dry shampoo. When I'm in the shower, I wash like around the edges of my hair because it obviously gets sweaty. And then a little dry shampoo on the inside. And then I have the Revlon, like whatever this is, like a blow dry blowout brush. Okay, so putting heat and like kind of a blow dry when you put the dry shampoo is really important for helping like recover that sweaty hair. And then I'll take a little oil and just put that in the ends too to soften it up. So it's like constantly battling oily hair but also having dry hair so it doesn't look crunchy once I put the dry shampoo back in it. And then it's pretty much good to go. And then I might like curl it sometimes and I put a heat protector in, but for today I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is. I realized that when I was running, I had not put deodorant on, so I'm gonna make sure I have it on for the rest of the day. And then I just wash my hands, make sure I get the oil off. And I do my moisturizer. So this is just one of the ones from Drunk Elephant. I love all of their products. And then because I have the driest skin in the world, some oil drops. And that's really all I do if I'm gonna be prepping for my skincare, like to go put makeup on, which I gotta do because I have a lot of filming to do today. So this is my like normal clothes closet. I think I'm just gonna throw on jeans and like a sweater today, maybe some sneakers. And this morning wasn't my typical get up and go starting at like 7 a.m. day, but there are like so many little things that are so important to me to make sure I stick to in my routines. And like, it seriously makes the biggest difference in the world, especially when you feel like you're having a little bit of an off day. I'm so ready to get on with my morning. So I put the sheets in the dryer before we left. I'm gonna quickly make the bed, put my makeup on, and then get to work. If you guys like this style of routine, I know it's a little bit different, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know. That tells me and YouTube, obviously, that you want more like this. I had fun. It's just like a little bit more vloggy, hanging out with you. So if you did, do that. And if somehow you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I have new videos for you every single week and tons more coming for the new year. And hit those notifications so you know exactly when a new video drops. All right, you guys, love you so much. See you soon. Bye.